basically, this is what you want it to look like. You want to make sure you hit every groove. I don't know if you can tell, but it's literally on the edge. I put it on the edge so that way it can create that seal that I was missing last time I installed it. But yeah, you just want to make sure you have it lined up against the wall as well, because it was loosening up there. And then I just doubled it up back here for no apparent reason. That's basically how you want to set it up. Don't mind the mess, it's my room. But yeah, you want to make sure you prep the surface, so make sure you clean it at your discretion. But now I'm pretty sure this thing will never fall off. I used this stuff right here. It's Scotch Extreme mounting tape. It was like 20 bucks at Home Depot. Yeah, some strong stuff. This is probably the strongest they have. The other stuff that came with the Rex Speed Vortex generator, it was similar. It was the same brand, same everything, but it wasn't the Extreme. I don't think it's going anywhere. But yeah, now I'm just gonna take it to the garage, prep the surface on the car, make sure it's all clean, peel them off, and then I'm gonna use a heat gun, get it pretty sticky. Then I'm gonna have my little brother help me. Tell him about your channel.
You can see me?
Yeah.
You guys can follow me on my channel, Adrian Navarez Vlogs.
The link will be in the description. So basically, all you once you prep the surface, you just want to make sure you go over it and make sure you test fit it, so that way you won't have any screw ups. All right. So now that we have test fitted it, I'm gonna peel off all the tape and heat it up so that way I can get a nice sticky glue on this, so that way it won't fall off at all.
Foreign cars everywhere, bad bitches everywhere, take the tool everywhere. We make this money everywhere, 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 everywhere. These niggas straight out of the hood, they going to Paris. They whip that we whippin', they bout these bitches live out they gon'
pull up and hop out a foreign car, and I'm getting trailed by a foreign bruh. Ow. I'm living life like an avatar. I got a stick when I pull up on y'all. Ow. Who the fuck think I'm a sucker? Who the fuck think I won't pull up and let loose? I got 3 bitches with me, I'ma pull up on Bleeding, they gon' fuck the crew. Who gonna stop me now? Who's gonna stop me now? Who's gonna stop me, boy? Who? I can't get all of you, somebody come with me just in case you could touch shoes. How many times have I told you if you don't fuck everyone that he'll be rude?
Turn it over. Alright, so looks like it's fitting good. Just gotta let the tape really grab on. Should be good though. I'm gonna go ahead and go over it with the heat gun, make sure. it up here. Alright, so I put two 25-pound weights on each side. Now what I'm going to do is just go over it again with the heat gun. So that way the weights that are there can really lock on there.
Doom bucket come through, splash on niggas, on the gas on niggas, yeah. In Milan, eating fettuccine, front row with the fashion show niggas. Fuck around, going by a Lamborghini. I'm going NASCAR, niggas say, hey, puffin' on the la-la. I've been the fly guy when niggas rock eyes out. I'm over chickens like Popeye. Old money, new money, nigga never getting old to a young nigga rock. Cooking up the raw dope right now. Cooking up the raw dope right now. Break down a whole ounce. I used to break down a whole ounce. I gotta weigh the money up now. It's taking too long for me to count. Take it too. Aight, decisions. You fucking with me, that's a head-on collision. The maxing them, texting them, F-ing them 9. We hustle, we struggle, we made it and grind. Nigga, this Avatar 80, young thug going crazy, young thug going crazy.
Hannah Montana, banging in red bandanas. They wanna fuck on me, cause I keep choppers with ammo. Nigga gon' hate on me, cause I'm at the top with Brodo. Hey, honcho, hold up, kicking your mondo, shoot with the fofo. Hell is shit doing, hold up, wait, I can't breathe, nigga. $500,000 I done took on my street, nigga. All white, thug fit, I won't eat, nigga. Ran off with them peas, I won't see the niggas. Geeked up, but the money geek. I rap bands up on the street. Best dollars in the world, can't trust me. Keep a pistol just in case they wanna test me.
I don't know if you could tell, but there's a slight separation right there. I think it's because of the tape. I put a lot of tape on this edge right here. I won't go anywhere, but it's just a cosmetic thing. I don't know if I want to have that little lip. Let me show you the other side. Same thing over here. It's not bad. I don't know if it'll bother me though. The front, I mean, it's clean. It won't go anywhere, for sure. It's just a matter of if I want to redo it or not. I'm just gonna go ahead and let this settle. It says about 2 to 3 hours, so I'm gonna give it the time, and I don't know. Decide from there, I guess. See how long this holds up. I'm not gonna waste tape right now, so I'm gonna just let this thing settle, and I'm sure it'll be fine. It's just a matter of there was too much tape used on this side right here along this wall, so it's kind of preventing it from sitting flush. But yeah, that's it. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to drop it in the comments. It's been about 3 hours now, so I'm gonna just go ahead and take off the weights I had sitting on my car. Put them off to the side for now. Yeah, it does mention on the directions to make sure there's no gaps going along the front. But yeah, that's it. It's all set and installed. Came out clean. I had it on here, but I wasn't comfortable with the way it was on there. But now, I mean, it looks, I'm very confident that this thing will not fly off. But yeah, this is it.
Hannah Montana, bacon and red bandanas. They wanna fuck on me cause I keep choppers with ammo.